All right, Lyric Armstrong here, your real estate agent and advocate. We are here again in another open house. Welcome to my neighborhood. I have the pleasure of showing you today 4040 Mantova Drive. This is in Baldwin Vista. It is an extension of the Black Beverly Hills. So this home is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, has a great view. So come on in. Hello. Welcome home. We're here at 4040 Mantova Drive. Come right on in. You have a half bathroom as soon as you walk in for your guests. But you know what? That's not the important piece. It is that lovely view. As soon as you walk in, you make a statement from day one, minute one. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. It's about 2,100 square feet. We are in Baldwin Vista, and Baldwin Vista has plenty of beautiful views. It is an extension of the Black Beverly Hills. So let's take a look at that wonderful view, shall we? Lovely dining space, and as always, it is the view for entertainment that sells it all. So this home has a great deck, so wrap around the deck, and you also have the jacuzzi comes with the home to help entertain. And if you will, let's go right on in here. Looks like our bedroom is over here. Allows you to have a great indoor-outdoor feel with these wonderful sliding glass doors. Here is the closet area. Right here that flows straight into the bathroom. Very modernized bathroom. Shower, big enough for 2, 3, you know. Depends on what your size is. You might get 4 in there. It's up to you. Nice, lovely tub. And then can you just imagine every day waking up to that? Now, of course, we're a little foggy today. Something looks like it's on fire. I don't know what that is. It is very hot today. But it does not prevent me from wanting that downtown LA view. All right, come on through here. Here's another bedroom. Nice little built-in closet space there. And an ensuite bathroom here. And this is a bath and shower combination. Very modern, sleek lines, very up to date. Nice little makeover happening over here. Quiet, serene location. If you are familiar with this part of the Black Beverly Hills, you'll know that there are a very plethora of politicians that are in the area, distinguished individuals such as doctors and lawyers. So you're surrounded by some of the elite. Come right on through. Now, great flow, and we'll go straight into the kitchen here. Lovely fireplace, and though the kitchen once again is kind of enclosed, it still has such a great flow. They've done such a great job of continuing the theme of having the indoor-outdoor situation. Nice updated kitchen countertops, very neutral so that you can come and put your own flair into it. And as you can see, there's a nice bar over there so you can entertain, make drinks, and still flow into the outdoors. And in the kitchen, it gives you a great movement within the space. Oh, and I love the beams. I love exposed beams. That's just my personal thing. I think that's really nice character. And of course, it's also in the great room here. And it's the great room because all the rooms are kind of open for the most part, the dining, living, and seating area. Okay, so the third bedroom is here. It has its own ensuite, and it's a lovely space. This is actually a shower, and beauty of this shower is one shower head, and but it's still space for more than one person if necessary. However, the whole house, including the restrooms, they give you a very serene vibe where you feel like you're almost in a spa resort. So you can live in a spa resort every day, right here at 4040 Mantova Drive. Lovely wooded spaces. This is the door for the entrance to the garage. Sorry about that. So your garage is connected. So the garage is connected to the house, and I particularly love that. They say it doesn't rain in Southern California, but it does rain in Southern California. So those days that it is raining, it's great to just be able to come in straight from the garage and not have to bring in the groceries and get rained on, okay? So lovely, lovely, lovely. All right, the space is quaint, but it's well maximized, and I think the best use of space is the outdoors, because there is no traditional backyard, if you will. There is this grass area that's here on the side of the house. So this time it's a small patch, but if you wanted to use this as maybe a dog run, or if you had young small animals of sorts, you could kind of block this off and let them have this space here and make it a dog run. But for the most part, your outdoors is on the deck. And of course, like I said, it's all about that LA view and the sun. Our weather just cannot be beat. It's the reason why Southern California is so expensive. We have great weather, and at this location, you get to enjoy that weather, sipping on a Mai Tai, enjoying downtown LA. All right, Lyric Armstrong here, your real estate agent and advocate. Come on home to 4040 Mantova Drive.